Hello everyone! In this tutorial video, we will learn about how to secure a WordPress website. But before that, like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. Make sure to use a strong password. In the same way you secure your other documents and files using passwords, ensure also to make use of strong passwords when securing the WordPress website. If you are having difficulties in deciding which strong password you can use, you can refer to passwordsgenerator.net for strong password generation. Choose a good web hosting company. The first step towards securing your WordPress website is to ensure that you select excellent web hosting services. There are web hosts websites that offer good web hosting. For example, Bluehost, HostGator, etc. Ensure that before deciding which web hosting service to select, first explore the security features of each, then compare and choose the one that interests you. Click on the I button to know more about the security features delivered by the Bluehost and the HostGator. Update your WordPress regularly. Updates come with new features. Updating your WordPress more often makes your website more secure since it absorbs new features each time you update it. Limit the number of login attempts. By default, WordPress creates a room for as many login attempts as possible. The hackers may take advantage of this to get your password, and they may end up succeeding. To make sure that your site is well secured from such kind of attempts, limit the number of login attempts, and when the number of login attempts is minimal, the probability of a hacker succeeding to guess your password becomes minimal. Install WordPress security plugins. Security plugins play a vital role in securing one's website. They offer scanning, monitoring, and secure your site from malware attacks. Such plugins include, for example, Security Plugin, SecureDisruptions, WordFence plugin. Additionally, the plugin monitors the kind of activities that are taking up on your site, and in case of flaws, notifies you via emails in case of any suspicious activity taking place. Avoid the use of null themes. Null themes refer to hacked versions of a premium theme. The versions come at a low price which may tempt one to go for them. But you should keep in mind that the null themes may be corrupted with malicious codes which may crack your code and the entire website. Ensure that you go premium version of the cost-friendly price, which is mostly designed and coded by qualified professionals. Use Secure Socket Layer SSL. Secure Socket Layer plugin refers to an internet protocol specifically designed for securing the information shared between the user's browser and the website they are visiting. Google ranks all non-SSL sites as insecure. Thus, for more trust and security, please consider the SSL certification. The certification comes in two forms: free certification and the paid certification. Suppose you intend to run an information-based site, for example, a blogging site, then the free SSL certification would be the ideal certification for you. However, if you run an e-commerce, transaction-based site, or generally a site that entails login, entering personal information, then a paid SSL certification would be the ideal accreditation. Disable file editing. Note that when you create a WordPress site, there is a code editor button that is designed for you to edit your site. WordPress experts recommend that one closes the button once they go online, simply because attackers may take advantage of this to inject malware into your system without your consent. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want similar educational videos like this. We really feel motivated when you like and subscribe.